Hello everyone, I am going to explain you the water, the wonderful liquid for existence of life. So in this topic, I am going to tell you the availability of water, the form of water exists on this nature and how does it support the life in the form of water cycle or hydrologic cycle. So, first of all, you know that the Earth's surface is covered with 75% approximately with water, but 97.5% of that water is marine. A very exclamatory thing. I remember one of the line written by Shakespeare in The Tempest, that water everywhere, not a single drop of drink. Water everywhere, not a single drop of drink. The Prospero, along with his daughter, set journey in the boat, and they were in the ocean. And they were thirsty. So in water, inside the ocean, they were thirsty. The things you can understand. The sea water, you cannot use it. Okay? It is not fit for drinking. Though 97.5% water is there. So now the only 2.5% is left. Out of 2.5%, 1.9%, that is also major amount, more than half, is in the form of frozen ice cap on mountains. So that is also not any use. So only the rest point, which is approximately to 0.5%, is available for our consumption. And they are available in the form of river, pond, lakes, springs, water table, clouds, and other water resources on this ground. So you can understand the importance of water. मैं बताना ये चाह रहा हूं कि पानी की कमी नहीं है. पानी 2/3 और 75% लगभग धरती पर कवर्ड है पानी का, लेकिन वो पानी हमारे यूज का नहीं है. सब पानी हमारे काम का नहीं है. हमारे काम का पानी वो 0.5% ही है. कितना आश्चर्य लगता है यह बात समझ करके. जमीन पर रहिएगा तो पानी नजर नहीं आएगा, लेकिन जब आप समुद्र के किनारे जाइएगा, बड़ी बड़ी नदियों को देखिएगा तो लगेगा कि पानी का कहीं अंत और नहीं. तो इतना पानी होते हुए भी वो पानी हमारे लिए बेकार है. अब वो कैसे सपोर्ट करता है हमारे लाइफ को इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर. इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ वाटर. वाटर क्यों जरूरी है बॉडी के लिए? फोटोसिंथेसिस, प्लांट्स prepare their food in the presence of water, you know. Without water they do not photosynthesize, and food is not prepared for everyone directly or indirectly. Life cannot be existed. Secondly, water help in transportation. Many solids dissolve in water, and in the form of dissolved solution, it moves from one place to another, as well as the waste produced in your body also get rid of by dissolving in water. Do you know your body contains 70% of water? You are maximum 70% water. If your weight is 50 kg, 35 kg water is there. How exclamatory is this? पानी के आप बने हैं. सबसे ज्यादा आपके शरीर में पानी है, और वो पानी कैसे आपकी सहायता करता है? गर्मी हो गई, पसीना निकल गया, latent heat of vaporization, 1 gram of water is lost through the body, 540 calorie heat energy is taken away from the body. Body feels cooling effect. So during excessive heat, you perspire and feel cools. Air conditions. In coastal area, you might have observed that due to large amount of water, a specific heat of water is 1 calorie per gram. So very huge mass of water is there. So it takes the excessive heat during summer season and increases its temperature slightly 1 or 2 degrees. That is, little fluctuation in temperature is very essential for the aquatic form of life. So water play very important role in different way. Water is used for the digestion, for metabolism, for digestion of food. देखो खाना खाने के बाद पानी पीते हो तो वाटर उसके लिए भी चाहिए. बाथिंग, कुकिंग, वॉशिंग, ये सब तो छोड़ दो. तो एयर के बाद तो वाटर है ना सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ लाइफ. अब ये वाटर साइकिल क्या है, कैसे ये वाटर एक साइक्लिक फॉर्म में सर्कुलेट होते रहता है एंड सपोर्ट्स द लाइफ. हियर यू कैन सी द डायग्राम. दिस इज द माउंटेन एरिया, प्लेटू एरिया, प्लेन एरिया एंड देन ओशन एरिया. Clearly by demarcation you can understand. So everywhere the sunlight fall upon the earth's surface. The water wherever be, either on the surface of water, on the land surface or water body, water surface gets evaporated. You know, heating, evaporation is natural phenomenon. Without heating, evaporation can take place, or heating it accelerate. So water evaporates. Evaporated water cool down and condense to form clouds. Clouds may start raining at the place of ocean itself and forming one cycle. It may influence with the wind and blown away and finally collide with the mountains, lose its heat, condense further and start in the form of rain precipitation. The rain precipitated water on the earth's surface or snow in the form of snowfall may fall down on the land surface. Two things happen to that water. Three things remember. Some of the amount of water may percolates on the surface itself and passes and forming water table. Secondly, they may run up. बरसात के दिनों में देखेंगे वो नालियाँ सब बहने लगती हैं, तो they work as a run up water. The small drains join to big drains join to tributary join to the main stream of river, and main stream of river finally joins the ocean. So water of ocean return to the ocean. But it supports the life in very important way, because the plants and the animals who depend upon water, they drink the water or they photosynthesize the water, and after their evapotranspiration, by the process of evapotranspiration, remember, it formed the cloud once again. Transpiration by the plants, evaporation by animals, their excreta, their dead bodies evaporates and finally decompose and evaporates to form water, which join the cycle once again. And in this way, this cycle supports the plant's life as well as animal life on the earth. So, in this video, I have explained you about the water cycle. Okay. In next video, we will discuss about the pollution of water and their control, measure and the causes. Okay. Thank you.